So, guys, good morning once more. You're welcome into Bell Forest and Crypto Community July 2021 course. And this online course will last approximately 1 month, 3 weeks, or close to 2 months. And the main focus of this course is to make you a profitable trader in the domain of Forex as well as in the domain of crypto trading. We are going to put in all our best for you to make sure that you are successful in this domain. But before I start, I would like to tell you something very important, that no matter what I'm going to do, your own effort also is very, very important. Your personal research also will be very, very important. So let us thank God for this grace. Let's thank God for this wisdom. Let's thank God for everything that He has done for us this morning. Father, we pray that may you guide this organization, may you guide this academy to higher heights. Father, continue to bless our students, continue to bless the community, oh Lord, with more wisdom to better our services. Father, we pray for your love and favor all the time. Amen. Okay, guys. Introduction to cryptocurrency. Today, Monday, your first class is on the introduction to cryptocurrency. And before we begin going further with other things, you should have a clear understanding of what cryptocurrency is all about. And that is the starting point. So a lot of us have heard about cryptocurrency, we have heard about Bitcoin, we have heard about this scam, that scam, and all the like. So today we have the opportunity to understand what it's all about. And I know many of you, when you hear about Bitcoin, the first thing that comes in your mind is scam. Yeah, because we've recently had some companies that have come into Africa with the main objective to take away our money. They come with ideas like investment plans and all the like, which basically later they don't even last, and we end up losing tons and tons of money to this industry. Is here in the name of Bitcoin and crypto investment. Thanks to the knowledge we are going to learn, we are going to get from here, you'll realize that Bitcoin itself is not a scam. Cryptocurrency is not a scam, but most investment platforms using the name of Bitcoin and crypto investment are the one scamming, but basically not the cryptocurrency itself. And you are going to see and understand all what it means. So guys, looking at cryptocurrency, if you ask me in a layman sense that what is cryptocurrency, I will tell you that cryptocurrency is simply an asset, an online asset, or a digital asset that uses cryptography for its security. And when we hear about cryptocurrency, we need to understand that the asset is highly encrypted. So there's a high degree of encryption as far as cryptocurrency is concerned. And cryptocurrency have their value backed by their purchasing power. And the purchasing power of each cryptocurrency is backed by its use case, right? So the value of cryptocurrency is being backed by the purchasing power. The value of Bitcoin is being backed by its purchasing power. Remember back in 2009 when Bitcoin was created, with 1,000 francs, you could buy a piece of Bitcoin. But as time goes by, the purchasing power of Bitcoin becomes greater. You hear about Amazon today planning to adopt Bitcoin as a means of payment. We heard about um, many companies that adopt Bitcoin. And when this company adopts Bitcoin, some of them buy a huge quantity of Bitcoin and keep. So the demand, the purchasing power for Bitcoin since the year 2009 has been consistently, it has been growing consistently. And that's why today you see, like today, we had actually a boom in the crypto industry, and the price of Bitcoin went up to around um, $42,000 today. And by April this month, one Bitcoin was equivalent to up to, let me get you all the charts so that you can see for yourself what I'm trying to say here. So let me just show you what has happened to the industry today. And this is a chart of Bitcoin. Today we have had this massive movement, even went above and above my expectations, and it went a little bit higher. So the price of Bitcoin today went up over it went up over 38 over $38,000, and it came all the way around $34,000 yesterday. So you've seen a massive growth in Bitcoin just today. And when I woke up this morning, Bitcoin growth was around 30% growth. Bitcoin, the percentage rise of Bitcoin today was around 13%. That means the value of Bitcoin at the moment went up 13% in value. That means if you are having money in as holding as Bitcoin, you would have made 13% increased in your investment capital. And that is how amazing, that's how amazing crypto trading is. So some people say they're not getting me. I don't know if, yes, Julius didn't join with a mic and he didn't join with a computer audio. If you can write him, that would be good because I will not stop. So try to ask Julius to join with his mic. That's why he's not getting us. So we see a massive gain in value of Bitcoin in a day. It's not just rising all the time because we have time where the value of cryptocurrency do drop. Market always have its cycle. So we're going to understand how it works as we drive along. And since like back in 2009, the value of Bitcoin was, you could buy just with 1,000 francs. But this year in April, one Bitcoin went up to over $60,000. That is around 33 million francs in Cameroon. And the price of Bitcoin has been growing consistently. That means it has been growing consistently since even up since back in the year 2017, where you could buy one piece of Bitcoin with just around $3,000. You could buy a piece of Bitcoin in 2017 with 1.5 million. And in 2021, you could resell back a piece of Bitcoin for 33 millions. So imagine a business you invested 1.5 million in it in 2017. What is the result now? You will see that cryptocurrency are going to bring a whole lot as far as investment is concerned, and it's going to push a whole lot of people up there if we understand how it really works. So let's go back to our lessons. I'm just trying to show you how the power of cryptocurrency are being backed by the purchasing power. So, and the purchasing power of cryptocurrency is also being backed by something. That is the use case. What is the cryptocurrency used for? That's actually one thing that can create stability and sustainability as far as cryptocurrency are concerned. So this cryptocurrency called digital assets, and that uses cryptography for their security, can be created by anyone. It can be created by you and it can be created by me. One of the most specific and important characteristic of cryptocurrency is that they are decentralized, and there is no institution sometimes that really control cryptocurrency. For example, Bitcoin, there is no bank, no institutions that controls it, right? So cryptocurrency have their own characteristic like flexibility. You can easily carry them. You can actually easily handle or keep cryptocurrency just by having a crypto wallet. So cryptocurrency were actually created to serve what the physical fiat is able to do. So because a lot of people are asking, but why the digital money? And why is that? In 2009, my 1,000 francs value as compared to now has rather decreased, you know, but the value of Bitcoins keeps skyrocketing. As I've earlier said, they have their own characteristics that make them unique, that makes cryptocurrency unique and trustworthy. And that is the security of cryptocurrency, and as well also the security of blockchain on which most cryptocurrencies are being built on. So cryptocurrency has also like a foundation where it's being built on, which is basically the blockchain. So starting from the blockchain, the security and the interconnection of each block and the hatches within the blocks makes it very, very more solid and not really suitable for attacks and hacks. And you can discover that cryptocurrency cannot be counterfeited. Cryptocurrencies cannot be counterfeited. And due to the availability of the digital ledger core blockchain, that makes the record of transactions on the net on the blockchain network on the not easily hacked or cheat, has brought more confidence to cryptocurrency as well as the blockchain systems are concerned. So as time goes by, if any cryptocurrency has good use, their value will keep going up forever. You know, I mean, the value will keep rising forever. So it is absolutely the best time to invest in cryptocurrency as the world is actually adapting this cryptocurrency for many uses. As I've said earlier, cryptocurrency were created to do what? To replace what the physical money could do. And today, that's why you'll be able to move to send much amount of money out and in of Cameroon for a little as just a minus fee. So today we realize that we can send 1 billion francs into Cameroon. It passed to the banks, it passed straight to the or to the recipients without being questioned by anybody. So cryptocurrency is some really, really convenient. And our education will be focused in actually identifying and our main objective actually will be focusing on identifying and actually seeing how we can invest probably in cryptocurrency. So as I've said, remember this, that cryptocurrency are not controlled by any institution. And it's very, very important to note that. And when we're talking about cryptocurrency, we will be hearing most of the time, I'll be talking about blockchain. And you should be able to understand what is blockchain. And if I know a lot of people have heard about blockchain, the blockchain wallet. I'm not going to go deep into the blockchain technology, but I'll just give you a highlight of what blockchain is really all about. And blockchains actually work along with cryptocurrencies because crypto coins are being built on blockchains. So if you see a cryptocurrency, know that it has been built on a blockchain. Either the cryptocurrency have its own blockchain or the cryptocurrency is being built on an existing blockchain. So when we talk about cryptocurrency, you'll be hearing about coins and tokens. And you will hear that coins are cryptocurrency built on their own blockchain network, and tokens will be cryptocurrency built on an already existing blockchain network. For example, the blockchain network of Ethereum, so which is a cryptocurrency, serve as a network or as a layer one where other cryptocurrency or where other cryptocurrency could be built, right? So blockchain is very, very important. And you come to realize that blockchain is a system of recording information in a way that makes it difficult or impossible to change, hack, or cheat the system. A blockchain is essentially a digital ledger of transactions that is duplicated and distributed across the entire network of computer system on the blockchain. So don't confuse yourself. Let the English, let the words doesn't confuse you, but understand that blockchain is simply a digital ledger that is being used to do what? The recording of informations in such a way that the information cannot be tampered with, it cannot be hacked, and it cannot be cheated. So blockchain is a digital ledger that is used in recording of informations in a way that makes it impossible to hack or cheat the system. So basically that's what blockchain is. And on this blockchain system, cryptocurrency have been built. And I've said cryptocurrency that will be trading are digital assets. Digital asset means they are not physical, they are digitally. You cannot see virtual asset. That uses the technique of cryptography for its security. And cryptocurrency are also encrypted. So it has a great degree of encryption. And cryptocurrency are what they are value backed by their purchasing power. And their purchasing power are being backed by what? By the use case. And cryptocurrency could be created by anyone and made available for use if you have the technical know-how to go about it. And another very important thing that we'll be learning about cryptocurrency is mining. Remember back in 2017 when those companies came to Cameroon, they said, oh good, we're doing mining and you invest your money with us. We're going to give you 2% in return, 1% in return in the name of Bitcoin mining. And when we say Bitcoin mining, a lot of people begin to think that there is a mine somewhere where we go get new Bitcoins and some people think like there is a reserve of Bitcoin underneath the ground where you're going to go deep, you get it out and you sell. No. So when we talk about Bitcoin mining, you're really going to understand what mining is. Not just Bitcoin mining, but mining applied to any domain of cryptocurrency, right? So when we talk about Bitcoin mining, right? Bitcoin mining is a process by which new Bitcoin are entered into circulation. But it is also a critical component of the maintenance and development of the blockchain ledger. It is performed using very high sophisticated computers that solve extremely complex computation, but that's actually very high mathematical puzzles. So in a simple way, you just need to understand that Bitcoin mining is simply a process by which new Bitcoin are being entered into circulation. So miners, which actually mine Bitcoin, have the job to validate transaction within the blockchain network. So the mining of Bitcoin is being done by the validation of transactions within the blockchain network. If you have a blockchain wallet and you want to send coins to somebody, they will tell you that it is a miner's fee, which after the miners have mined it, your Bitcoin transaction will now go through smoothly. So this miner fees is being given to the miner that automatically verify and approve your transactions. So this will be the process of mining. So verification of approvals of transaction within the blockchain network will be the process of mining Bitcoin, which the miners having high sophisticated computers solving mathematical puzzles are doing a whole lot of work to make sure and verify that the Bitcoin you have sent is real and they approve it. So when you send Bitcoin to somebody, the miner's fee is being given to the first miner that approves and verify your transaction. And that's why when you send Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, you see something like confirmation. You're going to want to be waiting for the first confirmation, or the second, the third confirmation. When all the confirmation have been done, your Bitcoin is being delivered fully to the recipient, and the recipient can now have the full control to spend that Bitcoin. But as long as the Bitcoin transaction has not been verified, the recipient can fully spend the Bitcoin. You get it? So through this process, fake Bitcoin are being rejected off the system. So because there are people that have developed system to do flashing, the flash your Bitcoin, you actually receive an alert. But after a particular time period which cannot be, that particular transaction can be hacked within the blockchain system, is being removed from the system, and the reflection that you had from your wallet disappears. Okay. So as we are going to be learning, there will be some methods in which we can use to acquire cryptocurrency. And it is very important for us to know those things that can permit us to be able to acquire cryptocurrency. So which are the different methods in which we can use to acquire some cryptocurrency? Few, I'm going to list them up. First one can be that you acquire cryptocurrency through trading, which you are learning already how to trade. So you actually acquire some cryptocurrency if you learn through trading of cryptocurrency. You can acquire some cryptocurrency through buying of cryptocurrency. So after you have learned here, I know a lot of you are, all of us, not just some people, we are going to put some money aside to buy Bitcoin, to purchase some Bitcoins. And I think that it will be very, very much interesting. We can get Bitcoin through initial coin offerings, ICOs, where they offer free coins. We can also get coins, get some cryptocurrency through airdrops. You can earn cryptocurrency as a reward for your work. So there are a lot of ways out there in which you can do to get cryptocurrency. And also, you can also get cryptocurrency through mining. So mining is one of the ways you can get cryptocurrency. And some cryptocurrency that you can basically mine, we have like Ethereum, Monero, and Dash. With Bitcoin, Litecoin, those are some popular cryptocurrency that you are going to see and you'll be able to mine. So as we dive deep into our subject cryptocurrency, it is very, very important that we learn some terminologies before we go deep into it. So some terminology, some few words, some languages that you are going to be hearing in the crypto space are quite very important. So the first thing you notice when you decide to dip your toe into cryptocurrency trading is just how different and often confusing words get thrown around. Some originated from traditional trading, that means like from forex, that's the traditional trading. Some have appeared in the some have just appeared with time because people just create them, and it's really not from the traditional trading system like trading forex. There are new words people just put up every day. I could just put something, but there are some common of this word that are universally used in all cases. And so today we are going to be looking at the first one, which is also actually called the market cap. So remember, if you want to trade cryptocurrency, before I go here, if you want to trade cryptocurrency, you need to know that cryptocurrency are being traded on exchanges and cryptocurrency are being stored in wallets. So we are going to know all of that. So today is just an introductory class where we are learning exactly what we'll be learning and we are getting ourselves acquainted to the crypto space. So the first thing you are going to hear about cryptocurrency most of the time is the market cap. So you always hear people saying the market cap of Bitcoin is this, the market cap of Ethereum is this. You must not know the name of all the cryptocurrency. Yeah, but you will know it along when you go in with it. You are going to know the names of all the cryptocurrency. Remember that we have over 4,000 cryptocurrencies out there, and some of them are fake coins, some of them are real coins, some of them are bad projects with bad faith that is just coming there to pick up people money and disappear. So we have a whole lot, we have a whole lot, and we are going to understand more as time goes by. So the first thing you're going to learn about is market cap. The market cap in cryptocurrency is the total value of particular cryptocurrency, and it is simply meaning that you take the value of one cryptocurrency multiplied by the total available of cryptocurrency in circulation. So for example, if I have a crypto, let's say we have Arrow coin, which could be my coin, and the value of one Arrow coin is equals to $1, for example, is $1, for example. The market cap of $1, the value $1, one Arrow coin equals to $1, and we have in supply S, let's say 500 Arrow coins, and I ask you, what is the market cap of Arrow coin? What are you gonna tell me? You tell me that the market cap of Arrow coin is the value of one, which is equivalent to $1 times the supply, which is 500 Arrow coins. So the market cap of Arrow coin will be equals to $500 because we have taken it, the quantity multiplied by the value of one. So basically, that's what we will be talking about when we hear market cap. That's what we mean. Another important terminology here is the total supply, which is very, very important that we understand what the total supply is. The total supply basically is the amount of a particular cryptocurrency in circulation. So you need to know that when a cryptocurrency is created, there should be a definite amount. That means there should be a quantity that is being put into circulation. That means we should have a fixed quantity and we should have a definite. That means you should have a defined quantity. So the supply of a cryptocurrency should not be unlimited. So if you don't have a defined quantity, the value will never grow. So what happens that the value of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are growing is that once they are created, for example, and we say we have 1 million pieces of this cryptocurrency, as people begin to scramble over just a million pieces, the supply become minimal. That means the supply is being reduced. There will be scarcity, and so the value of that cryptocurrency will rise. So it's very important that before you invest in any cryptocurrency, check if the total supply is defined, not unlimited. You get it? Another very important terminology we're going to learn here is fiat. Fiat refers to currencies to, this simply refers to a currency of country which is being often by a government. So for example, we have the United States dollars, we have Naira, all those currencies are fiat that we can actually, we're going to see them in cryptocurrency. And also, as we'll be driving along, we are going to learn about new terminology like the bulls and the bears. We're going to learn about bulls and bears. And when we talk about bullish in crypto or in forex, it means that the market is rising. So if I want to describe the action of what happened to Bitcoin today, what am I going to say? I will just simply, when I take you to the graph, right, I will simply tell you today we've had a bullish market in the crypto space. That means the market has been going up. So we have had a bullish market in the crypto space today because the market has been going up. And if the market of Bitcoin, for example, was dropping rather, if, for example, Bitcoin was rather dropping, was having something like a zigzag and the price of Bitcoin is dropping, I'm going to say good. The price of Bitcoin today was bearish. Bearish means dropping, sell. So those are the simple terminology you're going to learn about. We're going to learn about margin as well. Margin is simply the amount you have that require you to be able to open a position. So if you have a capital for trading of $100, for example, your margin is $100. And if you open position with that $100 and you are consuming 50% of the $100, let's say $50 out of the $100, your free margin will be $50 and your use margin will be $50. So margin is just the money that you have available to trade. Now we're going to learn about leverage as well. Leverage allows you to use funds in your account to open a position greater than your total account margin. So leverage is going to come in to give you the possibility to buy bigger stuff like what you could buy with your money. So leverage gives you the potential to exploit more than what you have as capital. It's like you borrowing, you know. And leverage also go a long way to increase your risks as it also increase your reward. So we are going to learn better about leverages. We're going to understand the system of leverage and which leverage to even use when we go deeper in the course. There are another very important word you're going to learn about, which is spread. The spread mostly will be seen in Forex, where I'm going to show you the ask and the bid price. And the difference between the ask and the bid price will basically be the spread. And the spread is the cost of the trade. So you're going to learn about all of that shortly. And you're going to learn about long position as well. You're going to hear somebody say, I'm shooting this, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. So long and short position in crypto we just mean buying and selling position. So it is not really difficult. And also, we're going to learn about real. So when you hear real in Forex or in crypto, it means return on investment. And when you hear about altcoin, ALT coins, it means alternative coins. Coins that were created after the creation of Bitcoins are sometimes referred to as uh, alternative coins. Now, we're going to look at the stable coins. A stable coins is a coin that is not subjected to high volatility or to large volatility. So there are other cryptocurrencies that are stable. And it's this cryptocurrency that are stable that permit us to even trade the spot crypto market easily. So because when the value of our crypto asset rises, we convert it to the stable coin and our value is fixed. So if the value of cryptocurrency is dropping, we have already converted a particular value into a standard stable coins, which we can convert back to a cryptocurrency if we find new trading opportunity. So you find yourself that using stable coins probably nearly all the time. And again, we're going to learn about the waves. The waves are people having a huge amount of particular cryptocurrency. So if we create our own cryptocurrency, if I own 50%, or if I own 60%, or if I own even 40%, then basically I'm a WAV in that crypto system. We're going to learn about the FOP, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. So sometimes you're going to discover that people are going to have fear, uncertainty, and they will be doubting on some information concerning the crypto industry because this information cannot be verified. So we're going to learn about FOMO as well. That is the fear of missing out. Some of you, when we start trading, you realize that, okay, the price of Bitcoin was going up. You missed to enter at the zone of value. But because you saw the price going up, you dive in and you buy Bitcoin. And now you see that you're going to be buying Bitcoin because you're just afraid that the opportunity will go and allow you. So in crypto trading, we don't need to get FOMO. You don't need to get the fear of missing out. You need to eliminate that. As well, we need to learn about the ATH, meaning the all-time high. So when you're about ATH, it means the all-time high. That means the highest value or the highest price a cryptocurrency actually have attended. So this is your first class and introduction to cryptocurrency. And I hope that you have learned a lot from this. And I'll allow rooms for questions now. So if you have any question, you can go ahead with your question. You can, if you have a question, just let me know and I'll see if I can unmute you and you ask your question. Today was a great day. 27 people attended. If 27 lives will be changed, if we not even change, if 27 people learn about cryptocurrency, from us, we are very sure that in the nearest future, these 27 people are going to expand left and right and going to help other people as well. So it's a great thing to have all of us here today. So guys, I don't know if you have a question, you can drop it in the comment box below. If you don't have any question, then I'll have to say bye-bye to you. Okay, guys, the video, your first video is on Telegram. So I want to show you, this is your Telegram channel. And under this Telegram channel, this is where all your class will be uploaded. So this is a class of yesterday. And let me just delete this one here. So I've just allowed just the video of your first class. So the video of this second class as well will be uploaded to Telegram. Why Telegram? Telegram because when you watch the video once, you will not need to use data again to watch the second time. So it will permit that you can have time to watch over and over for this video if you don't have even money to buy data. So that's why we prefer to use Telegram. And for the fact that we can send a whole lot of information on Telegram and the flexibility of Telegram. So I will send you the channel link, and from this link, you'll be able to pick up and from here you'll be able to see how you can proceed. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the first class, and I will not have to take so much of your time here. Okay, if you're asking my opinion about the Brando coin, basically what I'm going to say is I am not a fan of network marketing. Brando was one of the people actually promoting Chimol, and he made a lot of money from Chimol. And after the fake Chimol plans actually collapsed because it was absolutely a scam, it collapsed. He then decided to create his own e-commerce platform that resembled Chimol and created a coin for it, And for me, I don't really have good faith. I cannot really say something about it because I don't know. I don't involve myself into fake network marketing. First, I don't even promote fake company. I don't even promote. Not to talk of taking you to an investment side. I don't do that because I've been victim of scams back years, and I promised myself that I'm going to guide other people not to fall into scam, and that's why I'm here today, and that's my main objective. So I will not really know more. People come to my inbox proposing the Brando Coin, all those stuff to me, but really I'm not really interested about those things for now because I want people to get the right awareness and the right knowledge at the right time. So guys, I want to wish you an excellent day. I wish all of you a blessed day, and I will provide you guys the video right away in your group. Yes, there is a difference between coins and tokens, Stefan. Coins are cryptocurrency that have been built on their blockchain network, and tokens are simply so when we even talk about the Brando coin, you need to find out if that Brando coin is a token or is a coin. A coin is being built on its own blockchain network, and a token is built on an already existing blockchain network. So my token, you can come and beg my network, my blockchain network to build your token. But me, if I want to create my token, I can start by creating a blockchain, you know. And to create a coin is difficult than creating a token because you start from the blockchain system. Yes, everything you need will be sent to you. Okay, Emma, these are the characteristics of stable coins. A stable coins are sometimes linked to a fiat. That's one characteristic. The stable coins are linked to a fiat, like the USD theta is being linked to the US dollars, and is one USD theta is equals to $1. So most stable coins are linked to fiat. They are not subjected to high volatility, and they can be used to purchase other cryptocurrency. Okay. Any other question? Okay, guys. Okay. I wish you guys a wonderful day. Use your group for information. Thank you, guys, for trusting Wealth Horizon Crypto Community. You haven't made the wrong choice.